guys, Coop here. Little shop talk today and knife tip. As a lot of you guys know, well, matter of fact, you don't know, I haven't put up a video on my new belt sander. I picked up a Craftsman 1x42 1 horsepower belt sander, and as far as I know, they don't make this particular sander in the 1 horsepower anymore. They only make it in 1/3 and 1/2 horse. So I must got an older model. But anyway, I picked it up really cheap, and the thing is almost like brand new. Anyway, I've been spending a little time tinkering with it, and with wintertime coming on, that means I'm going to be in the shop a little bit more because it's not going to be quite so hot, and therefore I'll have a little bit more time for my knives. And so today I was kind of tinkering around, thinking about what I was going to start in with, and I already had a few blanks already ground out. So I came out here this afternoon and I set up my scribe. I went ahead and scribed all 3 blades, and as some of you guys know on Facebook, I've been putting up a few pictures here and there of a knife I've been just tinkering with, you know, just something trying to figure out this new belt sander. Anyway guys, if you'll hold on a second, I'll not only show you the new sander, I'll also show you the knife I'm working on, 2 more I'm going to be working on, my scribe, and the shop tip knife of the day, or shop knife tip of the day. Anyway guys, hang on with me. Hey guys, I'm back with you. Alright, here's my new grinder setup. It's our belt sander. It's a 2x42. It's got an 8-inch disc sander on the side, which I'm probably going to take the disc sander on the side off, and I'm going to utilize it as a buffing wheel. But right now, I've just got it set up. It came with a nice steel table on it, but the table being on it was kind of a pain in the butt because you had to move the table every time you wanted to take and change the belts. So instead of cutting the table up, I just took the table off and I built the table out of wood that's nice and square. That way, whenever I change the belts, I don't lose my settings on my grinding table. And I'll move you in just a little bit closer now. Now, here are a few blades that I'm working on. This one I ground out just a little while ago. Nice little Scandi grind. I don't know if you guys can see that too well. I like the my buddy Brian, BPS or Knife Guy 1 now. He really likes the Scandi grinds. All the steel I use is 1095, and it's 5/32 inch thick. But that's one of them that I tinkered with tonight, and then of course here's 2 more. Now let's get on with the knife tip of the day. A lot of you guys have seen my jigs that I use to grind out my knives. This one, I did have screws in the end of it, and I took the screws out, I glued some wood, and I went with about a 15-degree angle on this for doing swedges across the top. Works pretty nice. Here's the knife I was practicing with. Pretty nice clean swedge on top. This is the blade that I've just been tinkering with, so it's nothing special. It's got a lot of practice wear in it. But these are about the easiest jigs to build. All you do is you just take your disc sander on the side, set your table on it to whatever degrees you want, sand it down, and there's your degree of angle. The way it works, your knife goes on there. When it sets, it's already set at the angle you've got it sanded down to. But the tip of the day is this knife right here, the one I was tinkering with today. I went ahead and I laid the knife on there. I got it set up where it was flat on the table, nice and flat, and the tip of the blade was all the way at the corner of the block. Then I picked it up and I drew a line. I did that on both sides. Well, then what I did is I took me a little tiny finishing nail. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And right on that line, I put them finishing nails. That way, when I've got this in the jig, I'm holding it back here, the tip of my blade doesn't fall down with the pressure of the belt sander. It stays right there. So it helps you control the blade, and that way you don't have to use clamps. Anyway, guys, that's what I've been up to here lately. That's the quick tip of the day. Hope it helps somebody. You guys want to put your comments and questions down below, I really appreciate it. I'll answer anything you post. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you watching my videos. It means a lot to me. You guys all know we've got the Facebook page up and going now, along with Google+, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram. Now I think, did I say Google+ already? Anyway, we've got all those going. Links for them down below, guys. You guys want to run over and follow us on one of them, all of them, or none of them. It's all up to you. Anyway, guys, with that being said, old Coop's pretty much going to say, Coop out.